Hey everyone! If you want to save money on hosting your VPS hosting for n8n and start automating your workflows easily, I've got an amazing deal for you. Right now, you can get up to 76% off n8n self-hosting, plus an extra 20% discount. Just click on my special link in the description or in the pinned comment to activate the offer instantly. With this exclusive deal, you can run self-hosted n8n with no-code AI workflows, giving you full control over your automations. You'll be able to unlock unlimited workflows, launch unlimited concurrent executions, and even access powerful community nodes to expand what you can build. And that's not all. You also get a free domain for 1 year, plus a powerful and secure VPS with weekly backups, malware protection, and 24/7 expert support included. All you have to do is choose the VPS plan that fits your needs, and you'll be ready to create your own custom automations in just a few minutes. Don't miss this opportunity. Like this video, subscribe for more tech deals and tutorials, and leave a comment if you have any questions or want me to cover a specific topic in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.